11 years ago, the Rooted Ministry Conference began with 31 attendees. Since that time, Rooted has grown exponentially. Through our annual conference, blog, podcast network, gospel-centered youth ministry book, YouTube channel, Rooted regional groups, and Rooted Reservoir, a comprehensive online source for Bible-based curriculum and video training. This year, we are excited to announce that our conference will be returning to the Magic City, Birmingham, Alabama, the place where it all began. Birmingham is a city that's brimming with entertainment, arts, outdoor recreation, civil rights history, and world-class cuisine. Our theme this year is the promises of God. Join us as we celebrate the one whose promises to us are trustworthy and true. Our national conference will feature speakers such as Russell Moore of the ERLC, Trillia Newbell, Tish Harrison Warren, our very own Cameron Cole, and many others. We hope that you'll join us October 7th through 9th, 2021. Registration is now open at www.rootedministry.com.